Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can upload audio to Roblox. So for that you need to open up Roblox website and log into it using your account details, and after that just click on this option of create on the top. Just click on it, and here you will find this option of development items. Just click on it. Then you will find this option of audio over here. Just click on it, and here you will find this option of upload asset. Just click on it, and here just upload your file, but make sure that you fulfill all the requirements for this audio file, like it should be less than 7 minutes and the file size should be 20 MB, and the formats allowed are mp3 and .ogg, and you can just name it, write the description and upload it. And this is how you upload audio on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.